particular variety of massage lotions that I either will or will not work with. And there are also times that I'll actually work without a lotion of any kind. And it's just depending on the slip, the glide, and traction, depending on what I choose and what I need for whatever I'm working on in any given region. Sometimes I need the additional glide and to go through the tissues. Sometimes I don't need that. I need the grip so that I can keep enough traction for what I'm doing. And it can vary. Some people like lotions, gels, oils, or in my case, I've created a brand of my own, to which has kind of a rather unique feel to it as well. So it is all preference based, and best way to find out your preference is to play with the different modalities of it. So let's get into the forearm and elbow region.